Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will start by verifying the Starlink dish is online and that you have the Starlink Ethernet adapter. Once confirmed, decide whether your mesh system will act as the primary router or as an access point. This determines if you disable Starlink Wi-Fi. Connect the Ethernet adapter to the dish, then run a quality Cat 5e or better cable to where the mesh gateway will live. This minimizes double NAT and keeps the network topology predictable for later steps. Next, you configure the mesh gateway. Plug the Starlink Ethernet into the mesh router WAN port and power it up. If the mesh is your primary router, set it to obtain WAN via DHCP or assign the static IP Starlink provides. Make sure Starlink's DHCP is off to avoid conflicts. Update the mesh firmware and assign a clear LAN subnet to avoid overlap. Once done, confirm the mesh gateway gets internet and that devices wired to the mesh can reach the web. Finish by adding mesh satellites. Place them in open areas, link them via the mesh app, and run speed tests in different rooms to validate coverage. If you opted for access point mode, ensure nodes are set to bridge behavior to avoid double NAT. Once everything is linked, reboot Starlink and the mesh in sequence if issues appear. If you still have trouble, power cycle devices, check for IP conflicts, and temporarily connect a laptop directly to the Starlink Ethernet to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.